today with another inspection tidbit. So here on the X chair of the house, one of the things that we're kind of looking at, look at these hose bibs out here where your water faucets are for watering. So these things here, as you can see, should be secured back to the house. Obviously, because when you're turning this thing on and off, you can potentially twist the plumbing back inside there. And you twist it off and it ends up cracking a seal.